Alright, so I'm going to install your Britax Frontier Click-Tight model. I've lifted up the Click-Tight portion right here, gotten that out of the way a little bit. I've also taken the top tether out off the back. That's going to be tethered behind the seat. I've removed the headrest, and that will need to be placed correctly going forward or removed completely and left out of the car. I'm going to pull the seatbelt out only to the amount I need. We're routing it through the forward-facing belt path here. Make sure there's no twists in the seatbelt webbing. Only bring out what you need. Move it through the other side. And buckle it in. Great. And then press down, nice and firm. We're going to test right here at the belt path, make sure it doesn't move more than an inch. Good to go. Again, checking that there's no twists here. That's great. Just flattening this out for comfort. And I'm going to go behind the seat and do the top tether. Will you walk to the back of the car? So Britax has a split. There we go. Britax has a split top tether. Both of the sides do need to be on top of the seat back, like so. We're gonna look for the top tether anchor, which on this vehicle is way down here. There's a little bar down here with an annotation, a little image that says that's the top tether. I'm gonna loosen this up to reach down there. And then when you go to hook it on, so you can see it over here as well, when you go to hook it on, this piece here goes up and over the hook, not down and under it. So over it like that. Oh, still need a little extra space. Okay. Checking for twists here.